Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The excitement about a possible 2026 Toyota Motorhome makes one think about the company's well-established reputation for dependability, effectiveness, and well-considered design when it comes to recreational vehicles. Although precise information on a 2026 model is still subject to future releases, conclusions can be drawn from Toyota's current automotive philosophy and trends in the larger RV sector. It is conceivable that a 2026 Toyota Motorhome would put an emphasis on fuel economy, possibly utilizing hybrid powertrain technology, in keeping with Toyota's long-standing experience in this area. In addition to potentially saving money on fuel use, this strategy would satisfy passengers who care about the environment. Additionally, one might expect a design philosophy that emphasizes optimizing interior space and functionality while maintaining a manageable footprint, which reflects Toyota's talent for clever packaging. This might take the form of flexible living spaces, ingeniously integrated storage options, and easily navigable facilities made for comfortable long trips. A 2026 motorhome will probably have advanced driving assistance systems, ADAS, which would boost passenger security and driver confidence given Toyota's dedication to safety. The architecture of the car may easily incorporate features like automated emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure alert. Another important factor would probably be connectivity, with an easy-to-use infotainment system providing navigation, smartphone connection, and access to pertinent travel information. Given Toyota's long-standing reputation for dependability, one could anticipate a strong build quality in terms of construction and durability. The interior materials would probably strike a mix between comfort and durability, resulting in a hospitable and sturdy living space. A perception of quality and longevity would also be enhanced by careful attention to fit and finish details. A 2026 Toyota product might be offered in a variety of configurations, possibly varying in size and layout to fit different travel types and group sizes. In light of the varied needs of motorhome enthusiasts, this might include slightly larger alternatives for families as well as more nimble, smaller ones ideal for couples. In keeping with Toyota's user-centric design philosophy, each option would probably place an emphasis on practicality and ease of use. It is reasonable to imagine a vehicle that embodies the brand's key principles of dependability, efficiency, safety, and careful design, even though the exact specifications and design of a 2026 Toyota Motorhome have not yet been revealed. Such a motorhome, supported by Toyota's well-known engineering expertise and dedication to customer satisfaction, would probably appeal to individuals and families looking for a stable and comfortable foundation for their travel excursions. Its attractiveness in the cutthroat recreational vehicle industry would be further cemented by the incorporation of contemporary technologies and an emphasis on usefulness.